Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Zoom. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first we need just to open your Zoom and you will need just wait for it to launch, and after that we will need just to go to our account settings so we can be able to change our username or name on Zoom. And basically to do so, we will need just to search for some settings that we can apply or change for our account. And basically we need just to go to settings, and from here you can click on profile picture, and this is your profile. Either you can click on your profile and basically it will just redirect us to our sign in to Zoom, and from there we can change some things. And basically there are also the settings place where you can find, yeah, your general profile or your general uh, informations. And as you can see, you can click here and edit my profile, and it will take you to here. And after that you will need just to log in to your Zoom, and basically I will just log in with my Google account since it's my Gmail that I'm using here for Zoom. And basically I need just to click go to my profile here, and basically you can see my phone, etc. And from here we can find my first name and last name, and this is my display name. You can change the display now however you like. You can change also your first and second name. You can add some pronouns if you would like also, and then you will need just to save the changes. And by that you will have successfully changed your name on Zoom. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.